to the Math Battle Zone. Now, what is a Math Battle Zone? Well, this is some place in your home or classroom that you should create to help your students learn math skills and have fun while doing it. Today's show is about how you can use card games to help your students learn mental math skills. Now, today's segments are going to focus on games for students in grades 7 through 12. So let's go see how to play our first game. Hi! So glad you decided to stick around and learn how to play the game Integer Wars. Now, this game is for mostly students in grades 7 through 9 because it's going to work on their mental math skills with positive and negative numbers. So, all you need to play is 2 players and a deck of cards. The cards that you need are the cards with numbers on them. So you can use a regular deck of cards and throw the face value cards out, or you can go to a company called Boxcars and One-Eye Jacks and order decks of cards that just have the numbers 0 through 12. For this game, you only need the numbers 2 through 9. So let's go see how to play the game. Here are the rules for Integer Wars. First, players will divide the cards evenly between themselves. Next, each player will turn over 2 cards in the middle and add up the face values of the cards. Now the key is, red cards represent negative numbers and black cards represent positive numbers. So be careful when adding the values together. The player with the highest sum will get all 4 cards. If there's a tie, then war is declared. Each player must then deal out 3 cards face down and an additional 2 cards face up. Each player adds up the value of the 2 cards facing up. The player with the highest sum wins all the cards. Play continues until one player has collected all the cards. So let's go see this game in action.
Negative 14.
7.
Negative 13.
Negative 13.
4. Five.
Negative 4.
Well, how did you like that game? It's a lot better than working at your desk. It's one of my favorites. But let's go look at another game that's for the older grades, because we can always use practice at any age. Let's go see. Alright, now on to our second game, Squareheads. This game is for high school students because it works on the skills of squares and square roots. Now this game, you do need 2 players and a deck of cards, but it's played a little bit differently from Integer Wars, so let's go look at the rules. Here are the rules for Squareheads. First, players each need to have a deck lying face down in front of them. During the game, the red cards will have 10 added to the value displayed on the card. The black cards keep the value displayed on the card. An example would be a red 6 would have a value of 16 and a black 6 would keep the value of 6. Now to play, the players each flip the top card of the deck and place it on their forehead without looking at the value of their individual cards. Next, the players take turns informing the other player what the square or square root of their number is. Each player then has to guess what the value of the card is on his or her head. Make it a race. Time yourselves or be the first group of pairs to get through the entire deck. Good luck!
Square root of 100.
10. Square root of 16.
4. Square root of 4.
2. Square root of 9.
3. Square root of 9.
3. Square root of 100.
10. Square root of 144.
12.
Square root of 36.
6.
Yay!
That's it for now. But remember, these games games can be applied to almost any math concept, so get creative and start a math battle zone in your home or classroom today.